Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best DJ headphones that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Sennheiser Pro Audio Professional HD25 on-ear DJ headphones. Sennheiser is a legacy audio company with a great pair of headphones for basically any use case. DJing is no exception. The HD25 is the default pair of DJ headphones across the world, and for good reason. It has a lightweight frame with decent padding on the ear pads and headband. Rather than rotate to lay flat, the ear cups swivel up so you can free one ear to hear the crowd while you DJ. The ear pads are fine and comfortable enough for long use, but it's the isolation that makes it a workhorse. The padding combined with the closed-back design means you can really focus on what you're doing. The Sennheiser HD25 can push sound up to 120 decibels, SPL, which is important when you're in a loud environment. The headset amplifies bass notes, so you can keep track of the beat on the fly. One thing to be aware of is that it comes with a 10-foot straight cable, so if you plan on using this in your everyday life, you might need a rubber band for cable management. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Soundcore Anker Life Q20 Hybrid Active Noise Cancelling Headphones. The Anker Soundcore Life Q20 stands out as a top pick for DJ headphones, primarily for its effective active noise cancelling, ANC, at an affordable price. Priced at $59.99, it has an excellent battery life, delivering up to 51 hours and 50 minutes on a single charge, and respectable noise cancelling capabilities. While they may not compete with high-end models, the ANC is sufficient to reduce ambient noise significantly, a crucial feature for DJs working in noisy environments. Sound quality in the Anker Soundcore Life Q20 is decent, with some emphasis on sub-bass and higher frequencies between 2 to 5 kHz, enhancing clarity and detail in the music. This sound profile may particularly appeal to those who enjoy genres with prominent sub-bass elements. However, there is an underemphasis on the 150 to 600 Hz range, which might affect the balance in certain tracks. The headphones also offer a comfortable fit, which is important for long DJ sets, and include a carrying pouch and cables for wired listening. At number 3, we have the V-Moda Crossfade 2 Wireless Codex Edition. The V-Moda Crossfade 3 Wireless stands out for DJs with its durable design and bass-forward sound profile, priced at $299. Its robust build is tailored for the demanding club environment, ensuring reliability and longevity. The headphone's emphasis on low frequencies benefits DJs by enhancing beat matching capabilities in loud settings. Additionally, aptX HD support and customizable EQ settings via the companion app allow for precise sound tailoring, further catering to the nuanced needs of DJing. While there are mentions of comfort concerns, these are minor compared to the overall utility the Crossfade 3 offers to DJs, making them a practical choice in a professional setup. At number 2, we have the Audio-Technica ATH-M50x Professional Studio Monitor Headphones. The Audio-Technica ATH-M50x is a classic pair of headphones because it can do just about anything, including accompanying you as a DJ. For the price, you get a powerful headset with a frequency response that ranges from 15 Hz to 28 kHz. The 45mm drivers pump out a good amount of bass, but you can still use this for audio editing. Not to mention, the rotating ear cups and folding hinges make them portable and easy to use. The headset is made of durable plastic that keeps it lightweight and strong, so you know it can take a rough tumble in your bag. You don't get a headphone case, but Audio-Technica provides a pouch to keep the cables somewhat managed. You also get 2 cables. a 1.2 to 3 meters coiled cable, and a 1.2 meters straight cable, along with a 1/8 inch connector. It weighs 285 grams, which is a bit heavy, but the padding and wide headband do a pretty good job of distributing the weight across your noggin. If you want a headset that can work as well while you DJ, mix, edit, and enjoy music, this is it. And finally, at number 1, we have the AKG Audio K371 wired over-ear. The AKG K371 is as comfortable as it gets on this list of the best DJ headphones. You get plush faux leather ear pads that encompass the outside of your ear and a cushy headband too. Each headphone rotates 180 degrees, so you can keep an ear open to your surroundings. This is a great way to gauge the crowd without completely removing your headset. Like other DJ headphones, bass frequencies are louder than mids, but this difference is fairly tame. You may have a harder time discerning the bass notes through this headset compared to the previously listed Sennheiser HD25. The isolation is okay, but it won't mute your surroundings. AKG provides a 1.2 meters straight cable and a 3 meters coiled cable, both of which terminate in a 3.5 millimeters plug with a mini XLR connector for the headset. You also get a 1/4 inch adapter for your audio interface. Although this lacks Bluetooth connectivity, it's still rather portable, since you can ball it up and drop it into the drawstring pouch. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.